Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are doing great. Welcome back to my channel, and today we'll study about the profit and loss appropriation account. So let's start. Before doing the practical questions of P&L appropriation account, I would like to explain how you will prepare the profit and loss appropriation account. Here I am going to show you the format of profit and loss appropriation account. So this is profit and loss appropriation account, and this is our debit side, this is credit side. As usual, we will write the particulars and amount. Here also the first thing we have to do is, here comes, अगर हमें P&L account में profit होता है, if there is a profit, then we will write by profit and loss account, and this is net profit transferred from profit and loss account. P&L means profit and loss, right? Profit and loss account. And if there is a loss, अगर हमें profit and loss account में loss होता है, then we will transfer loss to the debit side by to profit and loss account, and here we will write the net loss transferred from profit and loss account. So this is the loss and this is profit. Now second thing, there are few appropriations. These are to interest on capital. Second is to partner's salary. Third is to partner's commission. And fourth is, if there is a reserve, अगर आपको ये कहा गया है कि प्रॉफिट का 10% यू विल हैव टू ट्रांसफ़र टू द रिज़र्व, अगर हमें प्रॉफिट का 10% रिज़र्व में ट्रांसफ़र करना है, और वट एवर इज़ द अमाउंट 10% or 20%, then we will write here to reserve. And after balancing both of the sides, we will get to profit and transferred to the partner's capital account. So am I clear to all? And on the credit side, there is one appropriation which is by interest on drawings. We all know partner withdrew few amount sometimes, so and the firm charges the interest on that amount, so the interest on drawings we will write here. then we will balance both of the side and we will get profit on the debit side, and if there is a loss we will get on credit side. So this was your profit and loss appropriation account. You can see the format of profit and loss appropriation account. It is given in your books also. आई होप स्टूडेंट्स आप लोगों को P&L एप्रोप्रिएशन का जो फॉर्मेट है वो समझ आ गया हो अच्छे से. नाउ वी विल डू द क्वेश्चन नंबर 10 एट द पेज नंबर 2.8 of your books. Question number 10 is, in the question number 10 it is given that A and B are partners. A's capital is 1 lakh and B's capital is 60,000. The interest on capital is payable at the rate of 6% per annum, and B is to get a salary of 3,000 per month. So just calculate for the per annum. Okay, and net profit for the year is 80,000. Let's go, we'll do this question. This is the profit and loss appropriation account, and the right one is credit side and left one is debit side. So first of all, in the question it is given that net profit for the year is 80,000. So we will write by profit and loss account, and this is net profit. What is the amount of net profit? 80,000. Then it is given that we have to allow the interest on capital to both of the partners and a salary of 3,000 per month to B. So first thing we have to calculate is interest on capital. So to interest on capital. Here I am calculating the interest on capital. So there are two partners, A and B. For A, the amount of capital is 1 lakh for A and 60,000 for B, and the rate is given 6%. So the interest on capital for A is 6,000 and for B it is 3,600. Is it clear? Yeah. And this amount we will write here. So A and B. For A it is 6,000 and for B it is 3,600. It means the total interest on capital is 9,600 rupees. Second thing is we have to allow salary of 3,000 per month to B. So to salary B, it is given that 3,000 per month. So I will multiply 3,000 into 12. So salary to B is 36,000 rupees per year. Now we will balance both of the side. So 80,000, credit side is more than debit side. हमारे पास then क्या आता है? Net profit. To profit transferred to partners capital account. To A and to B. So after deducting 3,600 and 9,600 from 80,000, we will get the balancing amount here, and the balancing amount is 34,000 400. Now we will distribute this profit between A and B. Our divisible profit is this is our divisible profit, and we have to distribute this profit between A and B. So what is the profit sharing ratio? So profit sharing ratio is not given in the question. Whenever the profit sharing ratio is not given in the question, then हमें प्रॉफिट जो है वो इक्वल रेशो में पार्टनर्स को देना होता है. सो मैं इक्वली अगर ए एंड बी में प्रॉफिट डिवाइड करती हूँ, देन ए एंड बी का जो प्रॉफिट शेयरिंग रेशियो हो जाएगा वो हो जाएगा 1:1, एंड फॉर ए इट विल बी 34 1/2, and for B it will be also 34 400 1/2, बिकॉज प्रॉफिट शेयरिंग रेशियो हमें क्वेश्चन में नहीं गिवन है. सो इक्वली हम डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करेंगे प्रॉफिट. So this is the ratio of profit. I am writing the profit here, 17,200 and 17,200. Is it clear to all? This was the profit and loss appropriation account for question number 10. So, and the next question is question number 11. In the question number 11, it is given that X, Y, Z are partners in a firm sharing profits in the ratio of 2:2:1. The fixed capital of partners were 5 lakh, 5 lakh and 2,50,000. The partnership deed provides that the interest on capital is to be allowed at 10%. So it is clear, हमें जो interest on capital है वो 10% per annum के हिसाब से कैलकुलेट करना है. And Z is to be allowed the salary of 2,000 per month. And remember this thing, sometimes question में ये per month की जगह per annum भी दिया होता है. So please आप question को हमेशा carefully read करना. So Z is to be allowed salary of 2,000 per month. Profit of the firm after debiting the Z salary was 4 lakh. So profit is given 4 lakh, but it is after the Z salary. Like हमने प्रॉफिट में से Z की सैलरी को डिडक्ट किया होगा, तब जाके हमें ये 4 लाख रुपीज़ का प्रॉफिट मिला है. सो सबसे पहले जो हम P&L एप्रोप्रिएशन में प्रॉफिट ट्रांसफ़र करेंगे, तो सबसे पहली जो हमारी वर्किंग नोट होगी वो यही होगी कि हमें ये जो 4 लाख का प्रॉफिट है इसमें Z की सैलरी को ऐड करना है और उसके बाद P&L एप्रोप्रिएशन अकाउंट में ट्रांसफ़र करना है. ओके, दिस इज़ द प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस एप्रोप्रिएशन अकाउंट. एंड फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल द प्रॉफिट आई विल ट्रांसफ़र हेयर by profit and loss account, right? And this is net profit. नेट प्रॉफिट जो हम ट्रांसफ़र करेंगे, सो ये ध्यान रखना है हमें क्वेश्चन में गिवन था कि जो 4 लाख प्रॉफिट हमें दिया हुआ था वो Z की सैलरी डिडक्ट करने के बाद दिया. तो सबसे पहले हम इसमें Z की सैलरी जो है वो Z की सैलरी हमारी 2,000 पर मंथ है. सो पूरे ईयर की पर एनम की हमारी हो जाएगी 24,000 रुपीज़. सो सबसे पहले हम इसमें ये ऐड करेंगे और ये टोटल नेट प्रॉफिट यहाँ पर ट्रांसफ़र करेंगे, विच इज़ 4,24,000, राइट. एंड नेक्स्ट थिंग, टू इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल. अब हमें पार्टनर्स को इंटरेस्ट देना है. सो देयर आर 3 पार्टनर्स, X, Y and Z. I'll calculate the interest on capital for all of the partners. So here this is our working note 1, calculation of interest on capital. There are 3 partners in the firm, X, Y and Z, and the capital of X is 5 lakh, Y is also 5 lakh, and Z 2,50,000. सो स्टूडेंट्स आप बताइए हमें इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल किस रेट पर कैलकुलेट करना है? या 10% पर एनम. सो एट द रेट ऑफ 10% पर एनम. तो 10/100, 10/100 and 10/100. So after solving this, the final answer we will get is 50,000, 50,000 and 25,000. Am I clear to all? इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल सबको समझ आ गया? ओके. सो अब आप लोग मुझे बताइए कि कितना हमने इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल कैलकुलेट किया था. फॉर एक्स इट वाज 50,000, वाई ऑल्सो 50,000 and Z 25,000, and total amount is 1,25,000. Okay. And second thing is given that Z is allowed a salary of 2,000 per month. So to salary, this is the Z salary, which is 12,000 per month, and for the year 2018 it is 24,000 rupees as 2,000 into 12. Now we will balance both of the sides, and अब हम calculate करेंगे divisible profit. So after balancing both of the side, it is 4,24,000, and here it is also 4,24,000. Now the divisible profit is how much? It will come. And one more thing, students, it is given in the question that the X, Y, Z have fixed capitals. So in this question the profit will be transferred to current account, not the partner's capital account. So that's why I am writing here to profit transferred to partner's current account. As you know कि जब भी हमारे कैपिटल फिक्स होती है तो हम एक अल्टरनेट करेंट अकाउंट बनाते हैं, प्रिपेयर करते हैं, जिसमें हम ये सारी एडजस्टमेंट्स करते हैं, राइट. सो इसीलिए प्रॉफिट जो है वो हमारा करेंट अकाउंट में ट्रांसफ़र होगा फॉर एक्स, वाई एंड जेड. Divisible profit is 2,75,000. So this is 2,75,000, and we will distribute this profit in the ratio of 2:1. Yeah. So here I will show you the distribution of profit. This is our working note number 2. So divisible profit is 2,75,000 rupees. Yeah. And the ratio is X is to Y is to Z is given 2:2:1. Is this the profit sharing ratio? Yes. So for X, for Y and for Z, so profit is 2,75,000 rupees into me. X share is 2/5, as 2 plus 2 plus 1 is 5, so 2/5, and Y's share is 2,75,000 into 2/5 again, and Z share is 2,75,000 into now 1/5. Okay. What is the final answer? This is the final amount, 1,10,000 X share of profit, 1,10,000 Y share of profit and 55,000 जो है वो हमारा Z का प्रॉफिट शेयर है. So we will write profit here 1,10,000 and here 1,10,000 and here 55,000 for Z. So this was the distribution of profit and this is your profit and loss appropriation account for question number 11. I hope guys आप लोगों को ये जो P&L appropriation का फॉर्मेट है इन क्वेश्चन नंबर 10, 11 समझ आए हों. एंड इफ़ यू रियली लाइक द वीडियो और ये वीडियो अगर आपके लिए हेल्पफुल रही हो सो प्लीज़ डोंट फॉरगेट टू लाइक, कमेंट एंड सब्सक्राइब टू माय चैनल. एंड थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो. बाय बाय.